That picture that we just that just went off the air, there it is from Skytrack 7. Look at that picture. You can see just how close the end of that runway is to that highway. And it is just feet away. The picture when you're driving on the highway and you see that plane either coming in or taking off just
it's so close.
A few feet above your head. And a few feet one way or the other. It could be the matter of life and death or whether the plane is on the right track or not. All right, Julie, great reporting there. Of course, this is a traffic situation that will be with us throughout the day, and we'll be watching it through the afternoon commute. Let's hope they can get this cleaned up soon. Stay tuned. We'll have much more on this. All right, right now, though, we'll head over to Steve Rudin and get a look at our forecast. Steve.
Now, you know, just talking about this crash again, we were talking about the weather. Even though it appears to be really nice outside right now, the temperature is well into the 90s. And when you have cold air, and I'm going to get a little complex here, cold air is more dense than hot air. So you need more runway. Okay, we're going to go to break.
Oh, are we? Okay. We'll go to break and we'll come back with that thought in just a minute.
So our managers have a great experience with Dale Carnegie.
The instructors make the class engaging, and our employees walk away feeling that they've had fun, plus they've learned a lot.
At Sinclair, our managers feel energized and empowered with tools to be better leaders.
I value the relationship that Phoenix Contact has with Dale Carnegie.
We find their leadership principles to be timeless. They worked yesterday, they work now, and they'll work tomorrow.
Dale Carnegie. Take command.
Express Home Buyers, we buy your house in 7 days.
When someone in our community gets hurt at work, Ashcraft and Jarrell is there. With over 60 years experience, we'll stand by your side and help put your life back together. Call us today at 1-800-400-1949.
Whose dog is this?
It's my special friend Antonio. His luxurious fur calms my nerves when I'm worried about moving into our new apartment.
Why don't we just ask Geico for help with renter's insurance?
I didn't know Geico helps with renter's insurance.
Yeah, and we could save a bunch too.
Antonio, fetch computer. Antonio. I'll get it.
Get to know Geico and see how much you could save on renter's insurance.
With so many people trying to buy houses these days, reputation matters.
Express Home Buyers, we buy your house in 7 days.
At Bob's Discount Furniture, you can get my Forte reclining sofa and reclining love seat for only $9.99, and it comes in 2 colors. You can also get my Navigator reclining sofa and reclining love seat, both pieces, again, only $9.99. Or upgrade to the power versions of the Navigator or the Forte for only $11.99. So you can recline with the touch of a button, charge your phone in a snap, and spend more of that hard-earned cash outside the home. Because furniture isn't everything, you know. Did I just say that out loud?
Get Bob's Discount!
It's the memory shared by millions. Cats.
At the Kennedy Center, beginning September 17th. Call for tickets today.
Welcome back. We've been watching this plane crash in Bowie on Route 50 this afternoon, wondering about the weather conditions, and it's hot out there.
It's hot, and we were talking that you need more runway to accelerate the speed to get the lift in order to make the plane go up when temperatures are really hot, as opposed to when it's colder outside, the air is more dense, and you don't need as much.
You get more lift with dense air.
Exactly.
Right, and in these small airports, they don't traditionally have very long runways, which is why the larger planes cannot take off and land there.
So it'll be interesting to see the conclusion. It's going to be, I mean, many days, if not weeks out until we get an answer on this. But we do know right now it is hot outside. We have 94 degrees at Reagan National Airport. It's now 88 in Gaithersburg, 90 in Leesburg, 92 in Fredericksburg. Dew point levels upper 60s and lower 70s. That's why the air feels so thick and soupy out there. And that's why we have heat index values that feel closer to 100 degrees at Reagan National right now. It feels close to 100 in Manassas, same in Quantico, 99 in Fredericksburg. So if you are going to be out and about for the afternoon hours, make sure that you stay well hydrated, find a little bit of shade if you're able to, and just slow things down a bit because we have a cold front that's on the way, and that's going to give us relief for one day starting later on tonight into tomorrow. Here's Stormwatch 7 satellite radar. We are dry as of right now, so no rain, no wet weather to speak of. Inside around the Beltway, southern Maryland, totally dry. Garrett, Allegheny, and Washington counties, no problems at all. We are under a marginal risk for the potential for some stronger storms later on this afternoon and into the evening hours. My best estimate is that it's going to be more or less after the dinner time hour and then into the evening. But once again, that does include the district, all of southern Maryland, up into Montgomery County and Fairfax and half of Loudoun County, the eastern half. But even though you may not be under that elevated risk, can't rule out a chance for some gusty winds, some heavier downpours in your neighborhood. Going out to lunch, temperatures are well into the 90s this afternoon. Thursday, there we are right now. Futurecast, totally dry. But as we head through the 3 o'clock hour, once again, we're